going to show you how to make a rectangle on a snake cube which has 24 pieces. Let's get started. So hold your snake cube in this position. So it's like this. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4. Rotate the fourth piece twice. Now you see an L has appeared with a longer line. So now count 1, 2 from here and rotate the second piece twice. So it should be like this. Now rotate first, second, third, fourth, fifth piece twice. 1, 2, rotate this piece twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and rotate this piece twice. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, rotate the fourth piece twice, so it's like an E. Now rotate the last piece over here twice. So here is a rectangle. You might see this rectangle is quite familiar because when you get your new snake cube, your snake cube mostly would be in this rectangular position. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give a thumbs up, like and share it to your friends.